Howdy folks. I wanted to share some of the advanced selectors that you can use in Maestro, the ones you won't get for free from Maestro Studio. I've got here an Android emulator mirrored showing the Pizza app, which is the default app you get as demo from Infinite Red's excellent Ignite framework. It's all on GitHub. You can go build this app. You can play along at home. Um, if I go and I pick this one here, Studio is going to give me a bunch of selectors for free here, and so I can pick that one, I can run it, and great, it's on the screen. And maybe that's not the intent of your test. You want your tests to be readable and show like this is what I want. And so maybe I just want to check that 343 has been published. Great. Maybe what I care about isn't this. Maybe what I care about is that the one about Discord has been published. And so again, I can use a regular expression. So Discord anywhere in the word. Great. Maybe you care that what you've got going on at the top of this screen is latest episodes. You want the test to stay a bit evergreen. You don't want the old episodes. So what we're going to say is that we want episodes that have got 3 digits in them. Those are the ones that are displaying at the top. We haven't got the old ones from the 70s or the 80s or whatever showing at the top of the list. Anything you can do with regular expressions, you can do here. You can start to, you can do optional capture groups and anything like that. All the text fields and ID fields you can see anywhere within any of the selectors in Maestro will take regular expressions. So anything you need to know, it's all there on Google. Fill your boots. See you soon.